In this question, we are required to calculate gross profit ratio. The information given to us includes gross sales, sales return, plus we are given gross profit as a percentage on cost. Now students, remember that gross profit is always calculated taking sales as the base. So we are required to calculate gross profit ratio on sales. Let us calculate net sales first. Net sales are equal to gross sales minus sales return, which is equal to 6,20,000 minus sales return of 20,000. That means net sales are rupees 6 lakhs. So based on this information, we can say that the net sales for this particular business are rupees 6 lakhs. Now, coming to the cost. Students, here gross profit is given as 20% on cost. Let us assume that cost be rupees X. This implies gross profit is equal to 20% of X, which is equal to 20 by 100x. On cancelling it, we get it equal to x by 5. Now, let us use the relationship between cost and profit. We know that net sales are equal to cost of goods sold plus gross profit. Net sales here were rupees 6 lakh as we had calculated earlier. Cost of goods sold X and the gross profit we had calculated X by 5. Taking LCM and everything, 6 lakh is equal to 6x by 5, and on solving this we get the value of X as 1 lakh. Let us see how do we get it. Using this relation, X would be equal to 6 lakh into 5 by 6, 1 lakh into 5, that is 5 lakh. So students, cost is equal to rupees 5 lakh. Once we have calculated the cost, we can calculate gross profit as well, as gross profit was X by 5 and X is rupees 5 lakh, that is 5 lakh divided by 5, it comes to rupees 1 lakh. So gross profit is 1 lakh. So now students, we have both the components of gross profit ratio. Gross profit is 1 lakh and net sales that we had calculated earlier are rupees 6 lakh. Let us see how we can calculate gross profit ratio. The formula for gross profit ratio is net gross profit upon net sales. Gross profit upon net sales. This is gross profit ratio. The gross profit that we had calculated is rupees 1 lakh and net sales are 6 lakh into 100, as this ratio is expressed in terms of percentage. So on dividing this, we get a value of 16.67% approximately. So students, we can clearly state that the gross profit ratio in this case is 16.67%.